So a 0.08 kilogram pet mouse sits on a 0.35 kilogram air-track cart as shown in the figure. The cart is at rest, as is a second cart with a mass of 0.25 kilograms. The lab mouse now jumps to the second cart. After the jump, the 0.35 kilogram cart has a speed of v1 equals 0.91 meters per second. What is the speed v2 of the mouse and the 0.25 kilogram cart? So in this problem, we can apply the theory of conservation of linear momentum, which is to say the initial momentum should equal the final momentum. And since there's a change of mass within the objects, we're going to apply the specific formula where m1v1 plus m2v2 equals m1v1 plus m2 plus m3 times v2. And an m2 only represents this cart. m3 is going to represent the mouse. So let's set up our variables here. We're going to have m1 equal to the initial cart. m2 is going to be the secondary cart. m3 is going to be the mouse, which is 0.08 kilograms. v1 is going to be 0.91 meters per second. And v2 is what we're going to find. Now, if we're looking for initial momentum, we have to understand that there is no momentum in the system because the cart is at rest, meaning that there will be no momentum. So to make things easier on us, we can set up our formula as 0, which is the initial momentum, equals to m1v1 plus m2 plus m3 v2. Now let's set up these variables. This is the mass of the first cart, and of course v1 was given to us. The mass of the second cart is 0.25 kilograms. The mass of the mouse 0.08 kilograms, and v2. Okay, so let's do some quick multiplication and addition, and we should get 0.319 kilogram meters over second plus 0.33 kilograms v squared. Essentially, we just want to subtract this from both sides. We should get, now let's isolate v2. These will cancel, this kilogram and that kilogram will cancel. We're going to be left with the units of meters per second, which is what we want since we're looking for velocity. And our dividend is going to be negative. So negative 967 meters per second equals v2. And now the reason why it's negative is because that it's indicating that the cart will move in the opposite direction of the rat.